Hey everyone, it's Fans Lighting and Elevator Channel 2 here, doing a video of the 50-inch Emerson Pro Series 2. This fan looks like that, but it's kind of cool. It's all like that and has 4 lights in it. Yeah, it's kind of cool, but and it shows you it has chains on it. So yeah, I'll show you the light. Here's the light. Always do this for but it's a 3-way light chain. So yeah. Here's low speed. This fan only looks like a thing about that. And it's a thing from that. It's a form to it and it's cool. Show you the next speed. It's a cool fan and it does not wobble. And yeah. Now I'll show you high speed. Final speed, here we go. This fan is 3 speed and it looks kind of cool. As you can see, it's really fast. Below the elevator, and I'll show you the thing. I'll show you like it. Here's the light. It's like a cool fan at all times. So yeah. Now I'll show you this off. Here's off. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you for watching.